Hi guys, welcome back to Fergie's Kitchen. If you happen to be just browsing around and you see me, welcome. Please like and subscribe. And for all of FK gang, welcome back. Come on in. So today I'm going to be making a heavy salad. It's a chicken salad. And it's actually a British salad. I think they call it Salmagundi. I think that's the name of it. So here are my ingredients for today. Here is a baked chicken. I already baked my chicken. I already boiled my head, hard-boiled eggs. We're going to be working with carrot, cucumber. These are some baby carrots. Sugar snap peas with some delicious potatoes. These are gourmet potatoes. Cherry tomatoes or grape tomatoes. And I'm just going to use these to make a dressing, not the olives. Mustard, lemon, salt, pepper, and olive oil to make a dressing. So that's my ingredients for today, guys. And I'll see you in a minute. So guys, here's my potatoes, sugar snap peas, and my carrots. So I'm gonna bring this to a boil, put them to boil until they're like tender. All right, with a little bit of salt. Add some salt to it. And just boil until tender. Okay gang, so here I have 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 5 tablespoons of olive oil, half a teaspoon of sugar, and just like a 1/4 of mustard. Salt and pepper to taste, guys. And just whisk it. So my FK gang, we're at the end of another segment. I'm here to present my Salmagundi British salad. Here it is. I can't wait to dive into it. How great that look, guys. Yum, yum. Yum, 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 yum. I hope you guys enjoy it. And as you know, I feed the body, the mind, the heart, and the soul. So today's message will be coming from 1 Peter 2 verse 24. He himself bore our sins in his body on the cross, so that we might die to sin and live for righteousness. By his wound we have been healed. All right? By his wound we have been healed. And from Fergie's Kitchen to you guys today, God don't break promises. He breaks chains. Thank you guys for tuning in today. Please remember that Fergie loves you. Bye-bye.